Damn it, I'm left by complete accident. Alright, let's try this again.
Ratchet is keeping his ground.
What? Oh my god, I was standing on a stupid... Dude, this is annoying. It's annoying because you can't even see what's hitting you. Fucking ground all of a sudden opens up and hits you from behind. Ugh. Oh my fucking god. What? It didn't even spin! It didn't even start spinning yet. Oh! No, jump! Oh my god, I fucking pressed jump, dude! I fucking pressed jump! God damn it, dude! I had it! Fucking bullshit. Ugh. The Megapede, what the fuck is this? God damn it, I keep getting hit. This is hard. What the fuck? Oh, good. Wow, this is hard. This shit is hard. What the fuck? I won't shoot it at all. What the hell is this? Hit it. It won't hit him now. Look, it won't lock onto him now. Come on. Work! Look, it won't lock on anymore. It stopped working. Oh, yes! No, S. Oh, fuck. Oh. I did it! Oh, wait, they're not dead. Oh! That was tough.